NASA didn't just find a new galaxy. They found a fatal error in the history of the universe. The standard model of cosmology has officially crashed. For decades, we were told the universe evolved slowly. Dust became rocks, rocks became stars, stars merged into galaxies. A slow, chaotic accident. But the James Webb Telescope just looked back at the dawn of time and found something that shouldn't be there. Massive, fully formed galaxies where only dust should exist. Meet ZF-UDS 7329, bigger than the Milky Way, yet it sits just 800 million years after the Big Bang. This is mathematically impossible. Critics dismiss this as selection bias, claiming we just found one rare freak. But in logic, a single exception disproves the rule. Finding one 500-year-old man shows biology is broken. In the standard materialist model, gravity is weak. You cannot build such complex structure in this short amount of time. It's like finding a fully grown skyscraper 5 minutes after the concrete was poured. The scientific community is panicking. They are scrambling to patch the theory. Their latest explanation? Relax. It's not a galaxy. It's a little red dot. They claim these aren't billions of stars, but rather baby galaxies, containing a supermassive black hole that is eating so fast it shines as bright as a galaxy. They want you to believe this solves the problem. They say, see, no massive galaxy, just a massive black hole. But this is intellectual dishonesty. Do not let them gaslight you. Moving the mass from the stars to the singularity doesn't fix the timeline. It actually breaks physics even more. Here's the physics they don't mention on the news. Black holes have a speed limit called the Eddington limit. They can't just eat infinitely fast. When a black hole eats, it gets hot. The radiation pressure pushes back against the incoming food. If it eats too fast, it chokes and blows the food away. So do the math. To get a black hole this big, 100 million solar masses, in just 400 million years, it would have to break the speed limit of physics continuously since the Big Bang. They claim Super-Eddington Accretion, eating past the limit, but that only works in bursts. Sprinting for 800 million years straight isn't physics. It violates thermodynamics. We call that a magic trick. It's a fancy way of saying, we don't know, so we'll assume the laws of physics were different back then. There is only one way this object exists. It didn't grow from a seed, it was born a giant. In astrophysics, we call this direct collapse. Direct collapse means a cloud of gas skips the star phase and collapses directly into a monster black hole. No evolution, no slow growth, instant heavy seeds. The catch? We have never observed it. It requires suppressing atomic cooling to prevent star formation, effectively a thermodynamic miracle. So we are left with two options. Option A, we accept happy accidents where laws of physics break to allow magic black holes, or option B, the universe is not a random accident. It is an engineered construct, and these massive objects, they are preloaded assets. Think about a video game. When the level loads, the trees are already fully grown. The mountains are already high. The computer doesn't simulate millions of years of erosion first. This is what we are seeing. We are looking at the load state of the universe. The administrator injected the heavy seeds to stabilize the hardware for life. The standard narrative is failing because it assumes we are outside the box looking at nature, but we are inside the box looking at code. NASA didn't find a mistake. They found the signature of intention. The timeline isn't broken. It is actively managed. If you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe to help us explore further.
This is Counteractual. Until we meet again.